higala. I'm going to be doing a salami. It's a roti, which is like big pancake filling or pancake. Okay, I'm going to be filling that with a mince. All right, a curried mince. There is my beef mince. All right. If you look over here, I have my curry mixture that I'm going to add. And then this is what I'm going to be putting: carrots, green pepper, onion, spring onion. If I had peas, I would have added peas as well. My wok is busy going over here. I must just add garlic to my wok. Then I'll add my onion and my carrot and my spring onion and my mince. Wow. I'm going to add my garlic to my oil. Okay, and I'm going to then add my black pepper. Hold on, I need special brown black pepper. If I can find it. Yes, I can find it. And adding a little bit of brown black pepper. Black pepper is the best. Okay. I have to now carry on and adding my other ingredients. My onion is going to go in. I'm going to brown the onions a little bit because I like to brown them before I add the mince. But I will add the carrot as well because it takes longer to make, longer to fry. If you look inside of my wok, I've added my onion, my carrot, my garlic, my black pepper, and I'm browning the onions now. For those that don't know what a wok is in the Philippines, this is a wok. I like cooking with it. It's a Chinese invented instrument, but it's one of the nicest instruments, okay? To add the main ingredient, which is the mince, okay? The beef mince. I need to let that cook up, and then as I'm going along, I will add my spring onion, I will add my green pepper. Green pepper you don't want to cook for too long because you don't want it soft, you want it a little bit crispy. And of course I'll be adding my curry powder once I've cooked this a while. That is the mince added. I'm cooking on a slightly high heat because I want it to cook quickly. I'm going to add my curry mixture. It's curry powder, it is peri-peri, it is a mixture of 3 different curries that I'm going to add to the mince. Now I'm going to do it slightly differently and I'm going to add it earlier. I want to see if the taste will be different. I'm going to show you what a roti looks like. It's actually Indian food. But of course there's a lot of Indians that live in South Africa, mainly in KwaZulu-Natal, Durban area. That is what a roti is. I'm going to have to fry it, and then we'll put the filling inside it, and we will eat it. 1 for mom, 1 for... No, 2 for mom, 1 for me. Okay. I'm going to add my little bit of potato. Normally I don't do, I normally put peas in, but just to add a little bit more spice to it, I add the potato. I'm going to add a little bit of water because I want the curry to cook through into the potato and through the mince. This is, as I said, a traditional Indian dish. Okay, it is a salami.
Siya mga higala. Hindi tapos pa si Banana sa pagluluto.
She's having a holiday today, okay? I'll put on a t-shirt. Oh, look at our t-shirts, huh? She's having a bit of a holiday today, and it's for me to do cooking, okay? Stop doing that, madam.
Stop doing that, madam. Maybe horny-horny na. Mawagan na naman siya mga kahigalaan, no? Anuhan na naman tayo. Marjodira na naman. Paano masabi?
Eventually.
It's done. There is the filling, okay? There is my roti. And I'm going to fill it now, and I'm going to enjoy this chutney. I don't think it's found any other place in the world, okay? Or it's exported from South Africa.
Kainan na!
Here you are.
So ito lang yung lunch namin today, mga kahigala. Wala mo ng rice, mga kahigala, no?
Oh, you want rice also in here? No, enough, otherwise we're going to be too full. Roll it, you know how to roll it.
I know how to roll it.
Are you sure? I think someone else had this in another country. We won't mention which country it is.
Si Banana ko mga kahigalaan is marunong talaga ito magluto. The best talaga ito siya magluto mga kahigalaan. Yes, the one teach me ba how to cook. Because before, hindi pa ako married mga kahigalaan, hindi talaga ako marunong magluto, no? Siya na nag-ano sa akin. Nagtuturo.
Yeah, because while I was in the Philippines, she used to cook all of this food for me. I think she was trying to kill me off, okay? But I ate it all. I never complained, all right?
No.
Okay. There we have a rolled salami. So what that is called, it is a salami. Now I'm going to...
2 hours later.
So, ngayon mga higala, ako na naman ang magluluto. Magluto ako ng snack namin mga kahigala, no? Magluto ako ng pancake. So, yun mga kahigala, oh. Tignan niyo. So sexy. So,
I
yun.
like that you have bought this apron, huh? This apron's really colourful and nice, huh?
Yeah, so-
And you're going to make what for me today? Flapjacks.
Yeah, so yun mga kahigala. Ano lang gamit, walang egg mga kahigala, no? Hindi ako maglagay ng egg, ano lang, baking powder mga kahigala, to. Tapos, ano, vanilla. Tapos, ano, yung gamit ko is self-pressing mga kahigalaan. To, self-pressing. Lagay ko dito mga kahigala.
Self-raising flour.
So, milk. Inutan ko yung milk mga kahigala. Yung milk namin gamit now is nasa sachet mga kahigala. Ito-fridge lang namin. So, yun mga kahigala. Tapos, ipag-try ko dito mga kahigalaan, no? Kailangan nilagay ko na yung ito mga kahigalaan, no? Isang cup lang. Kasi nga kami lang dalawa mga kahigalaan. So, maglagay ako ng isang cup lang. Tapos, lagay ko yung baking powder at gatas.
Sana all.
Tapos, vanilla at sugar. So, yun mga kahigala. And then, sugar mga kahigalaan. Konti lang ilagay ko mga kahigala kasi nga maglagay ako ng mamaya. Anong tawag nun? Strawberry. Anong tawag yun ba?
Strawberry?
Yeah, tapos maglagay din ng milk.
So you're adding milk. This is interesting. So it seems like a very simple recipe, yeah?
And then baking powder. Mano-mano lang itong mga kahigala. When hindi ko na nag-ano ng mga kung ilan yung mga baso ilagay, ilang kutsara, mga ganun. Mano-mano lang itong mga kahigalaan kung sa Bisaya pa.
Oh, it's vanilla essence, huh?
Tapos mix it. Hindi ko nilagyan ng itlog mga kahigalaan kasi nga ayaw ko ng itlog kasi nga may siya, may smell ba. Oh no! Pero pwede din lagyan ng itlog mga kahigalaan. Tingnan nyo. Ito na mga kahigala, I mix it. Mix and mix.
Yeah, but now... So you're just going to mix it?
Yeah. Oh my God, I forgot something mga kahigala.
Oh my God, what's that? What are you doing, woman? I thought you were baking flapjacks, yeah. What are you doing, huh? Okay, what have you got on? Let me see. So what? So you're making flapjacks and what? Huh?
Sa mga kaigalaan, hindi alam ni Bala na mga kaigalaan mo na kala niya nag-short lang ako mga kaigalaan.
Guys, I just want to say this. She even caught me. I did not know that was going on. She just said to me, come and video this. I want to bake flapjacks, okay? And then she does this nonsense, okay?
Yan mga kahigalang.
The flapjacks are made. I fried them, okay? Because she was crazy. But there they are. It actually proved to you that she was cooking, okay?
Yeah, finish.
You can do your shout out,
So
okay?
yun mga kaigalaan. Minsan na mga kaigalaan, ganito talaga kami pag ma-board. So yun, shout out kay Ditoy Video Collection, The Mangyar Family Vlogs, The Sukas, Team Tripod E-Vlog, at si Cindy B Family, Pritchie Sitol, My Kitchen Simple, Chad May, Leah and Fam TV, and Angel Dustin. So yun mga kahigalaan. That's all for today.
I just want to say that the flapjacks are actually delicious. I
Yeah.
normally put a little bit of apricot jam on. Very delicious.
Yeah,
Okay?
nakuhaan.
Oh, don't forget our t-shirt.
So yun, bye-bye!